So gold has been in a really nice channel over the last, ever since actually the start of the year. If you guys know, I captured a really nice move for the start of the year. But I want to give you some projections, guys, on this gold channel here that we're getting right now. If it does I want to give you the price targets. I want to give you the resistance levels, and also want to give you a pattern that's forming right now that could mean we're getting ready to have another big move to the upside. So traders, if you do need some help, then make sure you grab access to that free training on the screen there right now. Link in the description there. So let's have a look at this here. So what's happened with gold is a really powerful pattern, right? I really like this. There's a few patterns here that's happening with gold, and this could be an early warning sign of another big move, another big run coming in gold. And the thing is that when looking at the gold market here, we can see here we had a very nice move up, then we went sideways, and then now we actually had a little bit of move to the sideways. So we had a little bit of move to the upside. So here's the thing, okay? Check this out. This is where it gets so awesome, right? Look at this here. So we actually originally went sideways through here, and then now look at here, we actually broke up to a high. Now, trend analysis. What is trend analysis? Trend analysis is there's flat trend, meaning that there's no one in control, right? Which means the market goes up, down, up, down. That's what's called flat trend, right? There really is no trend on the short term. This is the daily charts here on the short term. But what happens if we break up to a higher high? Ooh, a higher high is what? A higher high could be an upward trend. Now we actually break down. We actually broke up to a higher high. We actually broke down. If we do hold here, and rally back up, what is this? This is now a higher high and a higher low, and then breaking past the previous highs, which tells us we went from no trend to the start, early warning sign of the start of the next move coming in gold from here. So we can see that through there, right? We can see all this through here. And now we're getting through. So if we do start to pick up over the next couple of days, the really big key I'm looking for, because I do see gold having a really nice move to the upside. The really big key that I'm looking for with gold is exactly just that pattern there. Let me open up the chart a bit more, and let me zoom right in a bit more. And now we can see that. So if we do firstly hold here, if we hold this level here, and then we start to get this making a way back up through here, then and break above the previous highs, we are then likely to see another really big move to the upside coming out of gold. This is where it gets really awesome, guys. Check this out. So look at this here. So we have that through there, and then if I look at the actual target from here, all right, if I look at the actual target where I believe gold could actually get to, it's actually at the top of this channel from here. Right, it's actually at the top of the channel. And if I'm using the same sort of angle, right, as last time, so the angle simply means that this was the start and that was the finish, right? This is the start and that was the finish. That was the overall sort of angle from there, right? If I use that, see that it's not the exact move, right? It's not the exact, but the overall move was from there to there. If I then use a projection tool, right, and then maybe project that out, look where it actually gets to. Pretty much one smack on around the 2,700. So that's where, looking on a short-term level basis, guys, this is where the next target on gold could be, is up here when it comes to the actual gold market. So this is one thing I really want you to keep an eye out for, guys. There's obviously a lot of amazing things that are setting up right now, guys, across the entire market. Right, we have obviously the video that I did just recently. If you didn't see it today, that's the Russell. I truly believe the Russell is getting ready for a really big move. Also looking at the gold price. Firstly, we've been in a very big bull market, and now after going sideways and potentially starting this pattern here, it looks like we're starting to get ready for a really nice move. So ultimately, guys, I've always had a target of 3,000 on there. Now, if the market does really start to break above this level here, right? Now let's go to the level. Let's go to the level above this here. How do we measure that, right? Say if we do get that through there, right? We get this over, just say we do actually make this up here and we get to 2,700. What happens if we break up above this channel? Where does it go from there? Then what we do is we actually measure from the top of the channel, from there to there, and we actually measure to the bottom of the channel, and then we project this up. So if it breaks there, we project that up from there to there. Just say this happened, and therefore the next target would be around 3,000. See that there? So that's actually that's how you. So the first target will be to the top of the channel because it bounced at the bottom of the channel. Now to the top of the channel. That's first target on gold. If it does break, then you use a projection tool on the channel, and wherever it breaks out, just say if it does break out there, then we could actually then get a bit of a slingshot move breaking out and breaking up to the upside from there. So the first thing we want to start to see this thing is the first target and the second target. The first thing we want to see is we want to see this thing make a higher high, then come down to make a higher low, and away we go from there. So traders, if you want to join me every day to see what I'm doing, and so I can coach you every single day, the market's open for an hour, then go to getjohnshelp.com. There should be a link in there. You can go over there, you can apply for it, you can read the testimonials and see all about what it's all about from there as well too, guys. So again, first link in the description there. Go to getjohnshelp.com, and I'll see you guys real soon.